disconnected.
The quality of our air is influenced by the places we live in. Breathing healthy air and staying in contact with nature makes us feel better, happier, more productive, and live better. But unfortunately, we spend almost 90% of our time indoors, and even if we don't realize it, indoor air can be really polluted. The World Health Organization has in fact stated that indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. But how can we improve the quality of the air and live better? With Natede, Clary's new product. It's been created to bring healthy fresh air and be the most beautiful design object you will ever have.
On the market right now, there are only ugly and traditional air purifiers that work with expensive filters that have to be replaced often. So the intuition was to use nature.
Some plants, in fact, have a special ability to eliminate the most common toxic agents in the air, thanks to microorganisms that live in their roots. Natede, thanks to a technology unit, amplifies these properties.
We created the most amazing natural air purifier on the market. And thanks to your support, it was an incredible success. More than 2,000 bakers from over 52 countries in the world believed in us and are now loving the product.
We won several awards, and most of all, our team grew from only 3 of us to almost 20 people.
So we really grew up, and also Clary grew up. And here we are, ready to launch the new Clary.
Let's start with design. Natede is extremely up-to-date, elegant and beautiful. Obviously, we made it eco-friendly and recyclable with an astonishing new biomaterial. R&D goes on. We are working with the best laboratories and universities in Europe. We also added a new incredible filtration process, photocatalysis. Natede is now able to eliminate VOCs, bacteria, virus, fine particulate and odors. And remember, there are no filters to change, and it's the only product that creates fresh new air. It's faster. We worked a lot with fluid dynamics experts, and this improved the purification performance range a lot. And also the capacity of the self-watering system has increased. Natede's technology unit is now more powerful and silent. We also redesigned and added more sensors. You will have the best ones to measure your air quality. And now, with the new LED interface, you just have to take a look at Natede to know about the air quality in your space. The app is great. Check the air quality in real time or the analytics, and much more. Thanks to Wi-Fi and now also Bluetooth, Natede can be connected to really everything. It will be always with you and monitor the situation for you. What hasn't changed? The importance of plants and nature, of course, and our mission to find new solutions to bring fresh air, technology, and beautiful design for you.
So come with us in this journey. We need your help.
Before you put Philips Smart Sleep on for the night, wash your face and behind your ears with mild soap and water. Towel them completely dry. Move your hair away from behind your right ear. Carefully place the Smart Sleep sensor on the bone behind it. Position the sensor close to the hairline, making sure there is no hair under the sensor. Then reseal the sensor pouch. Put the headband on by pulling it over your head. If you have long hair, lift your hair over the back of the headband. The forehead sensor should lie straight across your forehead. Snap the Smart Sleep connector onto the sensor behind your right ear. Adjust the fabric headband so that it covers your ears. Shift the movable integrated speakers into a comfortable position. It's okay if they sit a little bit in front of your ears, so they don't rest on your cartilage. Adjust the sliders until the headband sits snugly but not too tightly on your head. Do not over-tighten. Turn the Smart Sleep on by pressing the power button for 1 second. The headband will beep and display an orange light as the headband and sensors connect. If it does not connect within about a minute, add a dab of water to your forehead under the forehead band and make sure there is no hair between your skin and the sensors. The beeping will stop and the light will turn green. The headband is set up and you're ready for sleep. The green light will turn off after a minute so that it doesn't disturb your sleep. In the morning, unsnap the Smart Sleep connector from the sensor and take off your headband. Remove the sensor from behind your ear and seal it into the sensor pouch. Plug in the headband to end your sleep session. This also activates the headband's Bluetooth so that you can upload and view your sleep data in your app. To upload your data, open the app and press the sync button. If the light on your headband has turned off, press the power button to reactivate Bluetooth before uploading. Philips.